Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome to have you here. I've got a spicy question for you. Will AI really replace writers? Are you ready to dive into the truth about content creation in the age of artificial intelligence? I hope you're as curious as I am, because the world of writing, as we know it, is changing at lightning speed. First off, let me know in the comments. Have you ever used an AI tool to help you write? Maybe to generate a quirky social post, spruce up your emails, or even brainstorm a blog headline? If you have, type yes below. And if not, let me know what stopped you. I love reading your thoughts, so keep them coming as we explore this together. Before we jump straight in, a quick reminder. If you're passionate about technology, creativity, or just fascinated by the future of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of our deep dives into the world-changing trends. All right, let's set the stage. AI content generators, like the ones you may have heard of, are getting crazier by the day. They're not just spitting out random sentences anymore. We're talking about full-fledged blog posts, catchy social media captions, and even smart marketing copy. Imagine you could type in a topic like 10 tips for healthy living, and boom, the AI gives you a full outline or even the entire post in a matter of seconds. Blows your mind, right? So here's my first big question to you. Does this excite you or freak you out a little? Drop your reaction, E for excited or F for freaked, in the comments below. But wait, let's get real. AI isn't about to sweep in and write the next best-selling novel, at least not yet. But what it is doing is helping content creators, marketers, and writers by handling those repetitive, sometimes tedious tasks. Think about headline generation. Have you ever stared blankly at your screen, desperate for a witty headline? AI tools can already generate dozens of headline ideas in seconds. Seriously, give me a heck yes in the comments if you've ever battled writer's block. Let's walk through a real-life scenario just so you can picture how this plays out. Imagine you're running a blog and you want to write about eco-friendly gadgets for 2024. You open up your trusted AI tool. First, you let it spit out a list of headline ideas. 10 eco-friendly gadgets you'll love this year. Ongoing green, must-have gadgets for a sustainable lifestyle. Life level up your tech the eco way. Pretty catchy, right? Here's the beauty. You can then ask the AI to outline your blog post. Instantly, you get sections like Introduction, Why Eco-Friendly Matters, Top Gadgets, How to Choose, and so on. Your job just got way easier. But don't worry, your creativity hasn't been replaced. You still add your personal touch, stories, and opinions. That's something AI simply can't fake, at least not with real heart. Now, I'm dying to know, would you let an AI outline your next project? Type AI outline in the chat if you're game. Or if you think, no way, only a human brain will do, tell us why. This is a safe space for debate and discussion, and I love seeing your unique perspectives. So what are some of the cool things AI can already do in content creation? Let's make a quick rundown. 1. Crafting blog posts that actually make sense. Most of the time. 2. Creating social media captions. Snappy, witty, or promotional, you name it. 3. Writing email copy that sounds almost human. 4. Summarizing long articles into short, readable, bite-sized chunks. 5. Even generating entire marketing campaigns with just a prompt or two. Are you surprised by any of these? Which use case blows your mind the most? Leave your pick below. But, and it's a big but, what are the limitations? Stick around because this part is absolutely crucial if you rely on quality content. Here's the deal. While AI can write shockingly good content, it still struggles with truly original thinking, nuanced emotion, and personal stories. For example, if you ask an AI to write its own embarrassing childhood memory, it's got nothing. That kind of magic comes from you. Plus, mistakes still slip through. Sometimes the content sounds a little, well, robotic. Or you'll get factual errors, weird phrasing, or just generic advice. AI can boost your workflow, but it needs supervision, kind of like a smart assistant who still needs a double check. Give this video a thumbs up if you've ever laughed at an AI-generated fail. Let's get interactive again. Have you seen an AI-generated ad or post that made you do a double take? Was it surprisingly good or hilariously off the mark? Share your stories below, and let's get a laugh or a thoughtful discussion going. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this the end of creative writing as we know it? Breathe easy. AI isn't here to snatch away all the pens and keyboards just yet. In fact, many real-world creators are using AI as a sidekick instead of a replacement. They're letting AI do the heavy lifting with headlines, outlines, or brainstorming, then swooping in to add their unique style, perspective, and expertise. And honestly, that makes you more valuable than ever. With AI handling the routine stuff, you get to focus on what matters most: creativity, storytelling, and connecting with your audience. That's where the human magic happens. So listen up, if you're looking to stay ahead in the content game, now's the perfect time to experiment. You don't need to worry about being replaced. You need to level up and collaborate with these new tools. Quick pause. If you're finding these insights interesting, take a second and subscribe. Seriously, it's the best way to keep up with all the latest in tech, digital creativity, and how you can stay on top. Before we wrap up, here's my challenge. This week, try using an AI tool for just one part of your content creation process. Maybe let it generate a headline, outline, or caption. Then, come back and share your results in the comments. Did you get inspired? Did it miss the mark? Let's help each other figure out where AI shines and where we still need that good old human touch. Remember, you're part of a community of curious, creative pioneers. Stick around, drop a comment, give this video a like, and subscribe if you haven't already. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming up next in the wild world of technology and creativity. Until next time, keep creating, keep questioning, and keep having fun with the future. See you in the next video.